Okay, so now you know how to sign up. I'm sure you must have signed up. If not, then I would highly recommend you to do that, because if you don't sign up, you will not be able to practice what I'm going to teach you in the coming modules. So go ahead, sign up for the 30-day free trial. You don't have to pay anything. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can navigate through the application, right? So let's jump into Dynamics 365 application. All right, so here I'm in Dynamics 365 application. So you can see that this is the main screen, which is nothing but the dashboard. So here you have the dashboard selector. So you can see different dashboards that are available. You can select any one and you can see what components it has. Then currently you can see this is a sales activity dashboard. Here it talks about the opportunity pipeline by sales stage. You can see the graphic and you can see the amount also from here. You have the pie chart. Here you have the views. You have open opportunities, sales leaderboard, then different activities that you may be performing, right? So that's the dashboard. That's the first screen. And also you can see this yellow bar, which is nothing but the notification that you receive. So in case if you want to click on this notification and learn more about it, you can just click based on the options available. Otherwise you can just click from the right top side. So you can just dismiss this message. Similarly, you have different messages available. Once you close this and you log in again with the same browser, this thing you will not see, because it is personalized. You can refresh this entire dashboard. You can just click refresh all and it is going to refresh and pull the live data from the system, right? So that's something you can do. The other options you have on the right hand side, you have your profile. Okay, right on top side, you can edit your image, means you can put the image and that will be shown here. Next thing is the personalized option. So you have options here. This is the setting. Under that you have options. So these are personal options. You can also download apps for Dynamics 365. You can access it on tablet. You can access it on your mobile devices. If you want to see the welcome screen, you can click here and then it shows you the basic welcome screen that whenever you sign up, it shows up. So this is how it is. It explains what exactly it is. So we have main menu, you have shortcut, you can add new content, right? So those things you can learn. Next, here you have this apps. So you have the sales app, the service app, marketing app, and the settings and training. So the most important thing here to learn is the sales and service. This marketing comes by default with the sales module. This is not the Dynamics 365 for marketing, right? So we'll be talking about more sales and service. So this is the app, and under that we have areas. So under this my work, you have these other different entities to work with. So you have customers. Under that we have accounts and contacts. Then we have sales, collaterals, marketing, goals, tools, and business processes. Similarly for service as well. So you can just click on the navigation and you can just choose the one which you want to work with. Okay, so it's that simple. In case if you want to change the app, so currently you can see all the apps here. So you click my apps, you will see sales, field service, customer service hub. So what we are looking at is the web interface or web application interface. You also have interactive experience. So let me show you that. You can just click on customer service hub, and then the Dynamics 365 application will open in the interactive interface. As you can see, it's completely different from the web version, right? So let's give it a few seconds to load completely. And here we go. So here we have the navigation. You can see you can go to the sitemap. You can see the my work. So navigation pane was on the top side for the web application, the web version, but for here it's on the left hand side. So you can close it, you can open it again, you can go to any specific thing and you can work on that, right? So this is a different way of working. So I'm just going to go back to Dynamics 365 custom. So this is a web application. Now how can you identify which one is web and which one is unified interface? All you can do is you can just go to the settings. Under that you have my apps. So under my apps, you will see all the apps that are available. So custom one, which we are currently in, is the web version. Customer service is also web, but customer service hub is unified interface. Similarly for field service, similarly for project service, for sales, if you go just for sales, you will see the web version. But if you want to see them in unified experience or interface, then you can click on sales hub. In case if you want to modify things, you can just click open in app designer and you can make changes. Okay, so let's go back here. So once you're, for example, you're in the accounts, then here you have something called view selectors. So these are different views available and each view has some different filters. So that will show. So for example, if I click on active accounts, I will see all the accounts that are available. Don't worry about what exactly the account is. That's something we'll discuss in the coming videos. And if I click on my active accounts, you can see there is no record, because my active account has a filter which says that whatever the accounts that I own or I'm working on, that will show. But if I see active accounts, it will show all the accounts whether I'm working or not, right? So this is a view selector. Another view, you have option to sort it. So you can just click on the column name and it will sort that particular ascending or descending, right? So those things are available. You can select the records by this, and then you can do some operations available. You can also filter by clicking here, and you can change the filter. So for example, contains data, or any custom filter you want to put. So for example, you have contains, I would say A, B, and then you can put and or condition. I'll just click OK, and then it will show me only the records which contains A, B. Okay, so that's something you can play around with this. You can reset the filters as well, and on the top bar you can create new record, delete the record, and if you select something, you can see that bar changes, right? So based on that, you can work accordingly. Similarly, you have contacts and other entities available. If you go to the customer service hub, which we have already seen, let's go to project service. So this is the app for project service. And here you can see the information, what kind of functionality is available. Whatever you want to work with, for example, customers, you can just click that and system will show that. Here also you have view selectors. So you can make changes and it provides a good interface to work with. For example, if you go to the leads and if you open any lead, here you can see the business process flow. So this is the form. Under form, you can update, create, and make changes to the record. You also have a business process flow. So for example, if you are in the sale process in your company, you might follow the process, right? So a lead comes, you have the interaction with them, you qualify whether the lead is qualified or not, right? And then you move forward, you send them the quotation, you get more information, and then you propose. So those kind of things you can do. So for example, you can click here and you can define like, okay, what is the purchase timeline? What is their budget? Who makes the purchase decision? Did you identify the decision maker? Then you move to the next stage, which is develop stage. You identify the customer needs, propose solution. Do you identify the stakeholders? So this is basically a step-by-step process that your employees or the users can follow without thinking what is the next step. Okay, so it is a really powerful way to do that. So similarly, you have different options available. You can also go to field service, and here also you have different functionalities available. So we'll talk about those in the coming videos, but this is just to show you the application navigation. If you want to see all the functionalities, you can just go to the custom here, and here it is going to show you sales and service thing. So that's how you can navigate to the application. I would highly recommend you to go through the application, play around with this, click on multiple places and see what opens up, right? So that can really help you understand that. So that's for this video, and I will see you in the next video tutorial.